Today we will learn Chinese characters.
I,
Watch my pronunciation.
I, I, I.
可
I,
可
I,
小猫很可
I,
小猫很可
爱，爱，
人
爱，
人那是我的
爱
人，那是我的爱人。热
爱
热
爱
我热
爱
舞蹈，我热爱舞蹈。Let's learn how to write together with me. Today's character has quite a few strokes and is a little complicated. Be sure to write slowly and don't rush. When writing this character, pay attention. Make the upper part a bit bigger, as if a hat is covering the lower part. Practice writing more, and you will get better gradually. For this final stroke, make it longer. Start lightly, press harder near the end, and lift the brush quickly. In Chinese culture, love is not just fondness or romance. It is care and dedication from the heart. We love our family first, then others, and also all living things. It emphasizes responsibility, protection, and sincerity. This character carries many meanings, so it is relatively complex to write. Practice more and you will learn it well. That's all for today.